Okay. In queuing system, there is many symbol, symbol and model. Okay, so you can calculate how many server that participate in your system, and then you can calculate the lambda. Lambda is arrival rate, arrival rate. And then you can calculate mu. Mu is service time. Okay. There is so many model in queuing system, but you can use this notation. So usually we only use until the third notation. Notation 1, notation 2, and then notation 3. The notation 1 mean the distribution of arrival. Notation 2, it means the distribution of service. Notation 3 means the number of service, the number of server. Yeah. So let's say this model, the first model, MM1. So it means Markovian 1. So the arrival is using Poisson distribution, the service time using Poisson distribution, and the server is 1. What is the example of MM1 in our campus? Yang servernya cuma 1, di mana? Parkir motor MSU mungkin ya. Nah, itu servernya ada berapa? How many server are there? Only 1, ya. MM1. And then the second model is MMS. So the arrival rate is using Poisson distribution, the service rate using Poisson distribution, but the number of facility is more than 1. What is the example? GKU, okay, the lift server mungkin ya, the lift system, elevator system. Okay. So we can predict average arrival. At first we should know first how the average arrival rate, average service time. We using this variable. The most important is lambda, and then the mu, and then all of them you can learn it after this. The lambda is arrival rate, number of arrival for each time. Mu is service rate, the number of serving in each time. Ya, seperti itu. 1 per lambda ya kebalikannya, 1 per mu juga kebalikannya. Oke. Rho adalah utility, utility of the server. But I think let's jump. I will. Okay, this one the most important thing. And then LS. LS is the number of item in the queue. So let's imagine automatical teller machine, ATM. So how many people are there in the ATM system? LQ is how many people in the queue only, not all the system. In the system mean in the server, in the serving station is calculated tuh, dihitung juga. Yang lagi ngambil uangnya dihitung juga. Kalau LQ is only for them that queuing, waiting. WQ is average waiting time in the queue. WS is average time in the system. Both in the queuing, in the queue, and then in the server. Okay. Okay. Let's start to calculate. The simplest model is single channel queuing model, MM1. So the arrival rate using Poisson distribution, the service rate using Poisson distribution, Poisson distribution, and then the number of server is 1. Okay, this is the formula. So PW is the probability that the facility is in busy, or you can say this the utility. Yeah. How to calculate? Lambda divided by mu. Lambda is arrival, mu is serving. Yeah. LQ, what's the LQ formula? Okay, lambda power by 2 divided by mu multiply by mu minus lambda. Number of number in the system, number of entities in the system, mu divided by lambda divided by mu minus lambda. And then waiting time in the queue is lambda divided by mu multiplied by mu minus lambda. Yeah. And then WS, average time in the system, is 1 divided by mu minus lambda. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, let's do the example. So let's say that you have apa ini, pompa bensin, gasoline station, only one server here operated by Ali, and then the average arrival is 20 vehicle per hour, and then the serving rate is 25 vehicle per hour. So Ali can only serving 25 vehicle per hour. Yeah. And then the number of queuing, the number of vehicle is 20. Every hour they come 20 car. We assume that the model is MM1. Okay, let's calculate this ya. Intensity jumlah rata-rata kendaraan dalam sistem. So what should it be? L ya. The number is L, system S. So LS. The number of vehicle in the queue, LQ, because only in the queue, LQ. The waiting time, WS, WQ. Okay, very good. Ya. Nomor 1, utility. Intensity of service. We can say it utility. Ya. Okay. This is LS, LQ, SYQ. So the first one is intensity is, the formula is lambda divided by mu. How much is the lambda? Lambda is 10, mu is 25. So 10 divided by 25. How many? 0.8. And then, okay, so 80% of his time he will be busy. Ya, 20%-nya mungkin masih nganggur. Oke, selanjutnya jumlah rata-rata kendaraan dalam sistem. How many vehicle in the system? So let's say this is jumlah is L, and then the system is S, LS. What is the formula of LS? Mu divided by lambda divided by mu minus lambda. So 25 divided by 25 minus 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Yeah, okay. So how many should be in the queue, in the system? You can say that it will be 4 vehicle. But how many vehicle in the queuing? In the queuing, what is the formula? Lambda power by 2 divided by mu multiplied by mu minus lambda. Okay, like this. So let's say this 20 power by 2 divided by 25 multiplied by 25 minus 20. So it will be like this. And then so 20 power by 2 divided by 25 multiplied by 5. So 400 divided by 125. It will be 3.2. So how many that in the queue? It will be 3.2 car. Yeah. Okay. You can predict. It's very amazing. Yeah. Queuing model is very interesting method because you can predict. Something that very mysterious. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then the waiting time of every vehicle in the system, waiting for the service. Waiting time is WS, yeah. Not only the waiting in the queue, but also in the system. So the formula is 1 divided by mu minus lambda, 1 divided by 25 minus 20. So it will be 0.2 hour. Why using hour? Because in the case we already using hour, yeah. So it is very important. You should consistent. If this is using hour until in the end. If this using minutes, change all the variable into minutes, ya. Jadi harus konsisten. So it will be 0.2 hour, or it means 20 minutes in the system. But how many times should I wait if I go to Ali to clean my car, my motorcycle? Oke. Gimana? Berapa? Rumusnya apa? Lambda divided by mu multiply by mu minus lambda. 25 divided by 20 20 divided by 25 multiplied by 25 minus 20. Okay, so it will be 0.16 hour, or it will be 9.6 minutes. Okay, so how long will they wait in the system? It will be an average 9.6 minutes. So this is all the answer here. Okay, it's very easy, right? Easy to calculate. Okay, you can analyze it, and then you can give it to your client. Okay, this is the prediction of time. Okay, I think this is too long maybe. Okay, so 9.6 is too long. So you should add server, or you should make Ali work faster. Yeah. Or maybe we need a queuing area that contain 3 cars because an average is 3.2. Ya, rata-ratanya yang ngantri 3 mobil. Ya berarti mungkin harus disiapkan areanya untuk 3 mobil. Begitu ya. So you can use this idea to solve any problem. So this is very wonderful tools, ya. Okay, please do this case in your book. The same problem but using different number.